In TDP leader Chandrababu Naidu has reacted to the MP assaulting a bank manager in Andhra Pradesh. The TDP chief slammed the Congress party, saying that the party's decision to seek a report into the incident is just eyewash. He also went on to add that the party is in fact trying to shield the MP. Durga Nandi is on the phone line with us with more details. Durga, strong comments there from Chandrababu Naidu.
Well, absolutely, Niharika. It was a very strong worded comment that Chandrababu Naidu gave us just a while back, and he was telling us that the Congress was actually trying to shield, to protect the MP. If you remember, Manda Jagannath was the MP who had actually bailed out the Congress at the time of crisis when the UPA wanted those crucial votes, especially during the nuke deal. And this is the time when Manda Jagannath is perhaps asking them to pay back, and we would only expect that. So that is exactly what Chandrababu Naidu was hinting. And he was telling us that they were actually trying to shield him, and now we see this incident is turning very murky with politics playing an upper hand. Naidu has said that the Congress report is merely an eyewash, and the Congress was perhaps hoping that this incident would die a natural death. So actually now with the TDP chief stepping in, now we see this entire issue taking a political twist. On the other hand, we have the MP, Manda Jagannath, who's actually meeting the Chief Minister right now. He's closeted with him in a meeting. We do not know as to whether the Chief Minister is actually seeking a report from him, because Veerappa Moily, the Law Minister Veerappa Moily, had actually sought a report from the APCC in the morning itself. And the onus is upon the state wing of the Congress to actually give a report on behalf of the actions by this particular MP.